Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Francis. In this video, I will show you how you can achieve an additional $1,000 per month through passive income. But before we start, I will like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop a video like this, you become one of the first person to be notified. Achieving an additional $1,000 per month through passive income is an attainable goal that can significantly enhance your financial stability and freedom. Passive income refers to earnings derived from ventures that require minimal ongoing effort, allowing you to generate revenue while focusing on other activities. This article explores various strategies to help you reach this financial milestone, emphasizing the importance of diversification and consistent effort. First, dividend-paying stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks involves purchasing shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. To generate $1,000 per month, $12,000 annually from dividends, you'd need a substantial investment, depending on the average dividend yield. For instance, with an average yield of 4%, an investment of approximately $300,000 is required. However, starting with smaller investments and reinvesting dividends can compound growth over time. Investopedia. 2. Real estate investments. Real estate offers multiple avenues for passive income. Rental properties. Owning rental properties provides a steady income stream. For example, Brandon Potts, a former stockbroker, transitioned to real estate and built rental properties, generating around $40,000 annually. Business Insider. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investing in REITs allows you to earn dividends from real estate investments without the responsibilities of property management. Third, digital products. Creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or printables can generate passive income. After the initial creation and marketing, these products can continue to sell with minimal ongoing effort. For instance, selling an ebook at $20 would require 50 sales per month to reach $1,000. Young finances. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links. This strategy is often utilized by bloggers and influencers who have built an audience. By recommending products relevant to your niche, you can earn a percentage of each sale, leading to passive income. Millennial money. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect investors with borrowers, allowing you to earn interest on your loans. While this method carries some risk, diversifying your investments across multiple loans can mitigate potential losses. Returns vary, but with careful selection, it's possible to achieve the desired income. Wallet hacks. 6. Content creation platforms. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can become a source of passive income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Although building an audience requires time and effort, the content can continue to generate revenue long after its creation. For example, a well-monetized blog can provide ongoing income with regular updates. Millennial money. 7. Automated online businesses. E-commerce platforms such as print-on-demand stores allow you to sell products without handling inventory. Once set up, these businesses can operate with minimal intervention, providing a steady income stream. For instance, selling custom-designed merchandise can generate ongoing revenue. Young finances. 8. Licensing creative work. If you have creative skills, licensing your work, such as photography, music, or art, can provide passive income. Each time your licensed work is used, you earn royalties, contributing to your monthly income goal. 9. Automated investment platforms. Utilizing robo-advisors or automated investment platforms can help you invest in diversified portfolios with minimal effort. These platforms manage your investments, aiming for optimal returns based on your risk tolerance and goals. Considerations and risks. While passive income offers financial freedom, it's essential to consider the following: initial effort and investment. Many passive income streams require upfront work or capital. For example, creating a digital product or purchasing a rental property involves initial time and financial investment. Conclusion: earning $1,000 per month in passive income is achievable through various strategies, each with its own set of requirements and risks. By diversifying your income streams and committing to consistent effort, you can build a sustainable passive income portfolio that enhances your financial well-being. Before you go, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop a video like this, you become one of the first person to be notified. Thanks for watching.